This is pre-technical studies. Let us explain the difference between an artistic and a technical drawing. A drawing that expresses the feelings, beliefs, and ideas of the artist who created it is known as an artistic drawing. An artistic drawing is subjective. This means that certain aspects of the drawing convey the emotions or the beliefs of the artist. These are artistic drawings. A technical drawing, on the other hand, is objective. An artist who creates a technical drawing draws an object exactly as it is, with exact measurements, which can be scaled up in real life. A technical drawing communicates practical information about an object. These are technical drawings. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.